During the rainy season, keep children away from all your electrical appliances. Do not let them become zapping, hair-raising experiments.
And you, my fellow feline friend, should positively avoid touching electrical appliances during rain. Don't become a catastrophic conductor.
Install an earth breaker, my good sir, and prevent short circuits. Safety first, always, lest we unleash the electrifying chaos.
Indeed. Let's stay shockingly savvy and keep our tails out of trouble. No need to create fireworks when we can just enjoy some fishy fun.